Hello everyone, my name is Androva and I'm going to tell you one of my most unforgettable moments. Embarrassing moments are hard to forget. I was chosen to be the conductor for the flag ceremony when I was still in primary school. At first, I was so happy that I couldn't contain myself. People would see me smiling all day and thought I might be crazy. As time passes on, I started to get nervous about my performance, and it messed up my mind. When the day finally came, I started to get cold feet when I saw the crowd. Indonesia Raya was played and it went smoothly. I was so relieved and thought the next one wouldn't be so bad. But on Mahonikan Cipta, I forgot the lyrics and asked some of the choir members for help. I forgot to turn off the mic and the whole field could hear me. I was so embarrassed. After the song, I went straight to the bathroom to hide. In the end, the teacher just laughed it off and told me it was fine.